If you just get a new iPhone 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max and you want to lock app on your iPhone, here is a video for you. To lock the app, it is very easy. You need to select the app that you want to lock. Let's say I want to lock this app called Temperance. Just hold on it, and then you're gonna see a new option called require a Face ID. Click on it, and then there are two options. If you only want to lock the app, or you want to lock and hide app at the same time. So in this case, I'm gonna only lock it. I'm gonna click on the first one, and then confirm with my face. So whenever I open a Temperance, I need to confirm with my Face ID or my passcode in order to use it. But if you decide to not lock it, just hold on it again. Don't require a Face ID, confirm with your face. Now the app has been unlocked and you can open it as normal, just like that. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.